Monday, April 16th. As you come in, think of something positive and try to guess as to why is it a good day to be a non-vascular plant. We'll reveal that in our discussion throughout the day. Here are our unit outcomes, all about plants. We are bringing this to a close within the next week, but as for the lesson outcomes, we want to focus on classification groups of plants, some reproduction methods, focus on alternation of generations, and we have a study tool for you in terms of a handout and more opportunities to observe plant specimens. Today, broken down, there's not going to be any video time. You'll get some study time where you get to color a flower diagram and make it a useful tool. And then reviewing the lab materials on the side. We're not going to add anything new to the counters. We will review. I'll spend time, I guess, lecture form, looking at spores and seeds and the different groupings of plants and how they reproduce. Having a little fun with this. Then we'll go over alternation of generations. We'll talk about how the gametophyte and sporophyte forms alternate throughout the plant kingdom. Here we have it in ferns as well. The overall pattern that we see in more than just ferns and mosses, but across the entire plant kingdom, this alternation of generations. It actually goes into the protist and fungus kingdom as well. Taking a look at gymnosperms and their cone productions, male versus female, first year, second year, seed production. Introduce angiosperms, or flowering plants, and how they reproduce. Here's your handout. This is on Classroom with the parts of a flower. You'll be coloring that. Also, just for the heck of it, a little fun activity is if you could design an alternating generation of humans, what would they look like? So if you give us 4 generations to show that you understand how it goes from alternate from one form to the other, back to the original, and then the second time around.